You'll be poor forever if you're doing any of these three things. If you want to stay broke, go ahead and keep doing them. But if you actually want to become wealthy, you need to stop doing these things today. Pay close attention to the last one because it's the worst. But you follow me, Dr. Brad, because I always give it to you straight. Number one, carrying credit card debt. If you're not paying your credit card balance in full each month, that's a huge mistake. Credit card interest can be 25%, 30%, even over 35%. This means every month you're handing money to the bank you worked hard to earn. If credit cards keep getting you into trouble, stop pretending you're suddenly going to become disciplined. Cut them up. Your future self will thank you. Number two, spending more than you make. This one sounds obvious, but millions of people do it every single month. If you aren't saving and investing at least 20% of your income, something has to change. Maybe you need to get a roommate. Maybe you need a cheaper apartment. Maybe you need to sell the expensive car. Maybe you need to sell your expensive car. Maybe you need to get a second job for a while. Maybe you need to stop buying things that make you look rich but are actually keeping you poor. Whatever it is, start paying your future self before you're paying everyone else. Now, here's the one that quietly destroys more financial futures than almost anything else. Hardworking people do this. Smart people do this. People with six-figure incomes do this. It feels like investing, but it's actually one of the biggest wealth killers there are. The average person is constantly buying and selling. They're chasing hot stocks. They're jumping into crypto after everyone else has already made money. They're buying what everyone else on social media is talking about. They think that actively investing makes them a better investor. It's usually the opposite. The wealthiest investors understand something that most people never learn. They're patient. They ignore the noise. They stick to a long-term plan. Number three, rich people invest while poor people trade.